Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to book the IELTS test with IDP in India, and this method will work for other countries as well. So be with me and I will explain you how to do this. So first of all, type this book IELTS test with IDP on your browser or on the other search engine like Google, Bing, whatever it is. So now let's search it. And also for your reference, I will link it down in the description below. Now let's click on the first link. Now the page is being loaded and it's loaded now. Now you can select the test. So I am choosing the pen and paper based IELTS and choosing the test module as academic, and let's choose the city. So let me choose Ambala. Now let's click on book now. Now you can see the available dates now. So fourth one is being selected. The test is available on 11th, 18th, 30th, and there are lots of dates. And you can scroll and choose the option which you like. Now I'm choosing December 31st or December 30, and now let's click on book now. Also, before clicking it, you must confirm that what kind of test you're booking. So the test is on 30th, type is academic, and it's pen and paper based with a fee of 14,700 rupees. So now let's click on book now. Now click on accept. After doing this, you will see a page like this. So click on this title. Now, if you are male, choose Mr. If you are a married female, choose MRS. And if you are an unmarried female, then use MS. I am a male, so let me choose MR. Now let me enter my name. Now enter a valid email address that you use. Enter a valid mobile number as well. Now the only option you can get here is to choose a passport. So enter your passport ID number and enter when it's valid till. Now if you have any disability like hearing, visual, then choose yes, else no. But make sure if you have any disability like if you stammer, then you must have to provide a certificate from a certified doctor that yes, you have this problem. Majority of the people do not have any such problem, so click on no. After clicking no, let's click on proceed. Now confirm the email which you just entered. Now here you have to enter the address. Now talking about the address, you can enter any address where you want your TRF to be delivered. Now what's TRF? TRF is your test result form. So it doesn't matter whatever the address is on your passport or any other ID. Just enter the address where you want to receive the TRF. So I'm entering the locality, my address. Also confirm your mobile number which you just enter here. Now talking about telephone, you can enter your other mobile number or your brother's, parents, sister, anyone else number. So let me enter that as well. Now choose the city, choose the state and enter the pin code. Now enter your nationality. Mine is India. I'm an Indian, so let me choose India. Talking about first language, choose that as well. Also, now let's go down and here you will see an option called occupation sector. Enter anything. I repeat, enter anything. Anything doesn't matter. You just have to choose any one of them. I've done it. Occupation as well, choose anything. It's your wish. And just for your information, IELTS ask these statistics like occupation while you're taking the test just to generate statistics from their end, because they generate statistics just to show like which demographics is doing better. Choose anything here and choose anything here as well and choose anything here as well. So now you're done with it. So just check your information once again. So it's your passport number, it's valid till, date of birth, and address and nationality and all that. Make sure that your nationality is 100% correct. First language doesn't matter. Address is correct. Email, mobile number, your name, date of birth. Now let's click on submit. Now here you have to upload a passport copy of your passport. You can choose the file if you have it, or if you don't have it, just skip it. Also, if you know where are you submitting your scores, you can choose the country, else you can leave it. So let me do it for an example. Suppose I am going to study in Canada and I'm going to study in State College, which is located in Calgary. So let me choose that and I can enter the name of the person, file case number, and just click on add. So I am not doing it, so let's click on skip. Now, this is a review page. So here you have to check all the information provided by you is correct or not. So make sure passport number is correct, its validity, your date of birth, your gender, and first and last name, along with your email, mobile, and address with nationality. So click on proceed to pay. Now a page like this will appear on your screen. Now here you have an option to pay, that is net banking slash UPI, or you can pay via Visa, MasterCard, or other wallets like Paytm. Also note that if you pay by any of these, you would have to pay 150 rupees extra because of service charge. So let's pay by UPI. I'll choose this and click on the last option called net banking slash UPI powered by Razorpay. You can choose any one of them. It doesn't matter, but I personally choose Razorpay. Now just click on UPI. You can scan the QR code and you will be done with the booking of your IDP Ielts test. Now, hang on, don't skip or close the video. I have some quick answers to give it to you because there are lots of questions that people usually ask. So, let me talk about it. Okay, now let's talk about pre booking. Is there any option to book the IELTS test by just paying 500 or 1000 rupees? Just to confirm that I will book and pay the amount later before the test? No, there's no such option. You have to book right now, I mean whenever you book, and you have to pay full amount in advance. Now talking about the second question, when will I get the confirmation mail of the test that you have successfully booked the test? It will be done within 48 hours because IDP in India is really lazy and they do not send the confirmation of the IELTS test immediately, but you have to wait for 48 hours. And in case if you think that, oh my god, I need to confirm right now, the best way is to mail them for a proof and call them for the best, fastest resolution. So, third question is about speaking tests. So, you will get details of your speaking test before 10 days of your listening, reading, and writing test. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.